is the unboxing of the PlayStation 5. Let's start with the unboxing. I got this for 650 euros. No, 550 euros. This is about 50, yeah, almost like 60,000 Indian rupees. If you buy it in India, you'll probably get it cheaper, but here there are different prices available. I wanted it today, that's why it's expensive. Otherwise, there were cheaper options also available, but those were more expensive. So that's your PlayStation. It says Fortnite, but this is not actually a game, this is just an extension of the Fortnite. So you need to buy the Fortnite game and then they'll give you an extension game to play. Let's see if this box has anything else inside of it. I don't think there is. I just wanted to give a little bit of padding to the box. That's why they did it. Now there is a tape up there. So I'll just remove the tape. It's very solid, the tape. I don't know if I can. Maybe you can pause in the meanwhile. So that, and then I'll remove it, and maybe I can see which way I need to take it out from. There is one more place it needs to come out. I'm not sure I opened it in the right way or not. It basically has a wire, regular wire. I think this is to some kind of an, I don't know what this is, but let's see. Then you have this, take it out, the HDMI cable. I'll use it with my projector. I'll show you when it's connected. This is, I guess, for charging the remote control, and there's only one remote control here, which is this one. Yeah. So I'll just keep the remote control here. And take out the actual machine. Stuff in there. Okay, then you have these. So PlayStation. As you can see, this is the one with the CD. So this is the front part, and this one comes with a CD. You can see this is to eject mode, to take the CD out. You can connect your remote control here. This is your start button, and here is where your HDMI goes and your USB cable. This is the wire, red power cable, and this is, I guess, for the air ventilation. So nothing so fancy about it. You can either keep it like this or like this. And I don't know what is this, so not sure. But this one's made in Japan, Tokyo. Cool. So I'll go ahead and connect it and I'll see how that goes. Thank you.